Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami horse head. So what you want to do first is fold your paper in half both ways. Take the bottom corner and fold it towards the center. Now unfold and turn the paper over. Then fold the corner back to the crease you just made. In the part of the left and right edges. Using the top of the left and right as fold point, fold the top flap down. Now fold the part of the same flap upwards. Now fold in these two edges here. Now fold the entire model in half. And then add eyes to your horse head. And there you have your own origami horse head. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.